Hi, my name is Magzter and I'm Head of Business Development for Magzter for the UK market. What we do at Magzter is we are a third-party global digital newsstand, which means essentially, in very simple terms, that you can upload your publications, whether they be magazines or books, and put them in front of our audience to sell more copies. Very simple. In addition to that, we can also build you apps for all the key major stores, such as Apple Newsstand, Windows 8, Google Play, Kindle Fire, etc. But in many cases, publishers already have apps, and that is, if you already do have apps, that in no way stops you working with Magzter. We currently have just over 7 million users globally who have downloaded the app and created user accounts. And we are adding approximately 30,000 new users a day. So we are the world's fastest growing digital newsstand. And it is essentially a platform that enables you to reach more people around the world and sell more copies. So the proposition isn't particularly difficult, and it's very quick to upload. You simply upload your PDFs onto our platform, and then we put your magazines into preview. Then we get your magazines available on the store. We can also work with XML, HTML5, and other file formats, and it works on a simple revenue split. The importance of that is that there's no risk to you as a publisher. There's no upfront costs involved. You simply upload your PDFs and we work with you on a revenue split moving forward. Magzter's been going since June 2011, so we've only been going about 18 months. It began life, it was started by two Indian software entrepreneurs who had an operation in India. Since then, it began life in Asia, so we're very, very strong in the Asian market. Since then, we've moved to the US, where we put our global headquarters now in America. We've opened up offices in Germany, in the UK, in France, in the Netherlands to push the Magzter brand forward. I think the reason that we're popular is it's easy to use for publishers. There are no upfront costs, which I think is very important because these are tough times for publishers, I'm sure we all know, and anything which involves paying money up front is a difficult decision for publishers to make. In our case, we don't ask you for that at all. From a user perspective, we're easy to download, we're available cross-platform, so many people are now mix and matching. They've got Apple devices, they've got Android devices, they've got Amazon devices, so this gives you the opportunity to access the same content across all of those. And really, we're growing organically. As we add more publishers, we find more users following us because they can access their publications in the markets.